In the step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively move elements on Webflow, a popular web design tool that uses a visual drag-and-drop interface. The first key trick I'll share is using the drag-and-drop feature. All you need to do is to click on the element you wish to move on the canvas. Once you initiate the click, hold your mouse or touchpad button down and then drag the element right to the desired location. As you do this, you will see blue indicator lines that appear to guide you as to where exactly your element will be dropped. You simply release the click, and the element will drop right into place. Now moving on to the Navigator panel, this is a mighty useful tool to help you in managing the structure of your page. With the Navigator panel, you can constructively order the elements on your page by dragging and dropping them within the panel. Not only can you rearrange page elements, but you can also actually take any element and drag it into a new parent container. Again, just click, drag, and drop. You can also manipulate elements via their element settings. Each selected element will display its settings in the right-hand panel. This panel is a treasure trove of interactive options like positioning, spacing, and float, all of which you can manipulate to define the properties and behaviors of the element. Speaking of positioning, let's take a closer look at its capabilities. By setting an element to either static, relative, absolute, or fixed, you are able to control the element's behavior on the page. After setting the positioning, you can then use the position controls, which relate to the top, bottom, left, and right, to precisely position the element anywhere you want with your page. That concludes our tutorial about how to move elements around on Webflow. By mastering these skills, you can become a pro at organizing your web pages exactly how you want them. Whether you want to use the simple drag-and-drop function, harness the power of the Navigator panel, tap into the element settings, or plunge into the positioning capabilities, you have all the tools at hand to fully control the spatial organization and layout of your web page. So dive right in, practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be moving elements about on Webflow like a seasoned professional.